slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, speaking fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you are
Yeah,
behind
it's an
the fake
absolute pleasure
exterior.
to see you here again. You're like family to Tycoon. You've been with Tycoon since so long.
Since day one.
Yes, and how has your experience been, sir?
Well, every time I come here, I feel that the show is bigger and better and more glamorous. And that is what the world wants. So do you. You are looking so glamorous. Even I've been seeing you for ages now. And, even you're going up and climbing up the ladder.
Thank you, sir.
So, of course, this time I think the Tycoon show has been wonderful. And the calendar that has been shot, I'm told, is phenomenal. And I'm waiting to see it.
we
So
all
all the
are.
best. Yes. So
Thank you, Mr. Singhania. Thank you so much. Please. Very good evening. I'm here with the absolutely gorgeous Iram, who's always been with Tycoon. She's our family. She's our guest of honor, and she's looking absolutely stunning today. Welcome, Iram. How does it feel to be with Tycoon since so long?
It is an immense, amazing pleasure for me to be a part of Tycoon season 6, 5, and I think number 7 is always lucky. So I will be the part of season 7 also, and Tycoon was always my family, and always Sanjeev ji gave me unconditional support to Iram's Entertainment. So Iram's Entertainment feels so proud to be a part of Tycoon season 6, and here is calendar shoot going on. So that's a launching, and I know his hard work, and I can see the crowd and amazing the beautiful evening. Let's enjoy.
Yes, absolutely. We're looking forward to this wonderful evening. And thank you once again for being a part of Tycoon. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Very, very good evening, sir. How are you doing today?
Very good, very good. Thank you.
How does it feel to be here for the Tycoon Global Achievers Award and also the launch of our calendar today?
Well, I'm really honored and privileged and grateful to Mr. Sanjeev Jain for inviting me for Tycoon Global calendar launch, season 6, and also for the Achievers Awards.
I hope you're going to have a wonderful evening. Thank you once again for being here. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
A very, very good evening. I'm here with the absolutely gorgeous Nidhi. Welcome to Tycoon Global Achievers Award and the launch of our calendar today, season 6. You look absolutely wonderful. How does it feel to be here today?
Amazing. I think I'm really short with the word, but I am grateful to be a part of this calendar shoot. And yeah, it was amazing. Even the moment we were entire shoot was there, the way it was organized, though it was hectic, but it was outstanding. So yeah, I loved every bit of it.
We are looking forward to seeing you in the calendar that we're going to launch today. Enjoy your evening and please this way.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. A very, very good evening, sir, and welcome to Tycoon Global Achievers Award and the launch of our absolutely wonderful calendar, Season 6. How does it feel to be here today, sir?
This is a wonderful event. I'm very happy much that this event is going to celebrate this Tycoon Global Calendar launch and also the Tycoon Awards today. And I thanks my friend Sanjay and also all the dignitaries and film stars and celebrities, those who are present here. And naturally, this is a very beautiful evening, and we all enjoy this a lot.
Thank you so much for your time, sir. Really appreciate it. Please, this way, sir. A very, very good evening. I'm here with the absolutely gorgeous Chandrani. And Chandrani, welcome to the launch of our calendar today, which is our 6th edition, and also the Tycoon Global Achievers Awards. How does it feel to be today?
Yeah, hi, good evening everyone. I'm very excited and very happy because I'm not a guest actually. I'm a member of Tycoon. So I'm very happy to this award function and all something Today it's Sanjeev ji, thank you so much for inviting me. And let's see आगे क्या होता है थोड़ा देख लेते हैं.
आगे धमाकेदार शाम
बहुत
होने
ज़्यादा
वाली है
मुझे भी
Definitely,
लग रहा
yes.
है. आई एम लिटिल बिट लो बिकॉज मेरी तबीयत थोड़ा बहुत डाउन है, बट एनीवे मुझे लग रहा है कि अभी थोड़ा ठीक हो जाएंगे.
डोंट वरी, ये इवेंट के बाद आपकी तबीयत एकदम ठीक हो जाने वाली है.
थैंक यू सो मच. एंड एनीवे यू आर वेरी गॉर्जियस.
Thank you so
Most
much,
welcome.
Chandrani.
Thank you.
A very, very good evening, Rachna. You look absolutely stunning today. And welcome to the Tycoon Global Awards evening and also the launch of our calendar, which is our 6th edition. How does it feel to be here today?
Oh my God, you know, some feels you cannot put it in the right words, but I'm going to say that I'm really excited because the shoot we did was fantastic. And Sanjeev has kept really secret all the photographs. He said that I'm going to surprise you on the launch day. So I'm just excited and a bit of nervous to see that how good it is and you know how I'm looking on the screen. So yeah, I mean excitement is top to the notch.
Don't worry, I'm sure you're going to look absolutely stunning. We all are looking forward to this calendar launch. So you have to take your seat and watch me on stage showing you the calendar tonight.
I'm going to do that. I'm going to be the first person to come and show you if I get to see. Yeah,
Yes,
that's
absolutely.
the excitement.
Thank you so much, Rachna.
Thank you. Thank
Have
you.
a wonderful evening.
You too.
Thank you. A very, very good evening and welcome to the Tycoon Global Achievers Award. और आज हमारे कैलेंडर का लॉन्च भी है. सर, आपको कैसे लग रहा है यहाँ पे आके आज?
बहुत अच्छा फील हो रहा है. आदरणीय संजीव जैन जी और उनकी पूरी टीम को मैं हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं देना चाहता हूं कि जो विभिन्न क्षेत्रों में अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं उनको अवार्ड के माध्यम से, अपने इस प्रोग्राम के माध्यम से एक मोटिवेट करना बहुत ही सराहनीय कार्य है और वो इसी तरह से करते हैं. उसके लिए मैं उनको शुभकामनाएं देता हूँ.
Thank you so much for your time, sir. अपना evening enjoy कीजिए, sir. Very, very good evening, sir, and welcome to the Tycoon Global Achievers Awards and also the launch of our calendar, which is our 6th edition. How does it feel to be here today, sir?
First of all, I am so honored with this program. And it's the 6th edition of the calendar that has been all done in UAE. Means दुबई में ये सब काम करना एक इंडियन कंपनी का जो दिल्ली से बेस रहती है, तो एक अपने आप से बहुत बड़ा अचीवमेंट का काम है. ये कोई छोटा मोटा काम नहीं है, ये एक हिस्टोरिकल पल है और सब लोगों के लिए हिस्टोरिकल पल है कि हमारे बीच में से ही हमारे एक भाई संजीव जी ने इतना बड़ा काम वो हर साल करते हैं. दुबई में जाके वहाँ जाके प्रोडक्शन करना, लेके आना, इट्स नॉट ए ईजी टास्क, इट्स वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट टास्क. और उसको यहाँ बनाना, उनको बनाने में कम से कम 4 से 5 महीने लग जाते हैं. मॉडल्स को सिलेक्ट करना, वहाँ डिफरेंट डेस्टिनेशन पे जाना, तो इट्स ए बिग टास्क. तो मैं तो कहूँगा कि ये एक ऐसा हिस्टोरिकल पल है जिसको मैं क्या मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि इंडिया के हर व्यक्ति को संजोना चाहिए. इससे अच्छा पल हमारे देश के लिए नहीं हो सकता. दूसरा, जो लोग आज अचीवर्स हैं, मैं जो स्पेशल गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर उन सबको कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट करता हूँ. और दूसरा, सब लोगों को एक ही संदेश देना चाहता हूँ कि जिस तरह संजीव जी कहीं ना कहीं टाइकून ग्लोबल को लेकर आज देश भर में, देश से बाहर भी करीब 10 से 15 कंट्री में वो अपनी मैगजीन ला चुके हैं, ऐसे ही लोग प्रोग्रेस करते रहें और वो प्रोग्रेस कमिटमेंट के साथ होना चाहिए. जहाँ इंडियन लोगों को बेसिकली, जहाँ इंडिया का बंदा कहीं बाहर जाता है तो उन लोगों को एक कमिटमेंट चाहिए होता है. वो कमिटमेंट संजीव जी जैसे लोग दे पाते हैं, टाइकून ग्लोबल दे पाते हैं. तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है बीइंग ए पार्टनर, बीइंग ए स्पॉन्सर एंड बीइंग ए स्पेशल गेस्ट ऑफ टाइकून ग्लोबल. आई एम रियली थैंकफुल टू दिस इवेंट एज वेल एज टू मिस्टर संजीव.
Thank you so much for your time, sir. Have a wonderful evening.
Yeah,
thank you, sir.
thank you.
A very, very good evening, ma'am. You're looking absolutely gorgeous. Welcome to the launch of our calendar today, which is the 6th edition, and also the Tycoon Global Achievers Awards. How does it feel to be here today, ma'am?
टुडे आई फील टॉप ऑफ द वर्ल्ड एंड संजीव जी ने मुझे बोला कि बहुत बड़ा इवेंट है तो मेघा जी प्लीज़ टाइम निकालो, और चीफ गेस्ट, स्पेशल गेस्ट के हिसाब से मुझे बुलाया है, तो वाई नॉट आई जस्ट कम फॉर हिम. एंड मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा यहाँ का अरेंजमेंट. एंड मुझे पता चला कि संजीव जी एक लॉन्च कर रहे हैं न्यू, सो आई एम सो एक्साइटेड टू सी दैट ऑल्सो. एंड थैंक यू फॉर इन्वाइट यू.
Yes, thank you. Thank you so much for your time, ma'am. Please, this way. A very, very good evening and welcome to the Tycoon Global Achievers Award and also the launch of the calendar, which is the 6th edition. And you both are responsible for making the calendar look absolutely wonderful, isn't it?
Well, thank you so much for Mr. Sanjeev for giving us this opportunity to shoot this amazing locations in Dubai. It was very amazing, and it was a hectic task for us to wake up at 2 a.m. and going to shoots and in different locations, then coming back to hotel and again doing shoots in the evening time. But it's okay. I mean, we have got a lot of great exposure all just because of Mr. Sanjeev.
So hi, good evening, everyone. So it's really very good experience every time. So we are shooting this Tycoon Global calendar from past 2 years, 2 or 3 years, and we are making such amazing outputs. And it's really very good experience to shoot with this amazing brand and with Sanjeev sir. Thank you so much.
We all are excited to see the pictures and the videos today. So thank you so much for all your hard work. We're going to see you inside. Thank you. Very, very good evening and welcome to the Tycoon Global Awards and also the launch of our calendar, which is our 6th edition. You look absolutely beautiful today. And how is your experience coming here? How do you feel?
It was amazing. As always, the curation of the calendar was very good. We had a lot of fun during our shoot. We had amazing designers and amazing models, and yeah, looking forward for the night.
Yes, we are looking forward to looking at the calendar today. Are you excited about that?
I am very much excited. We have selected pictures from like 2400 to like 12 and 24. So yeah, I'm pretty excited.
Yes, we are also looking forward to seeing the calendar. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you. A very, very good evening and welcome to the Tycoon Global Achievers Award and also the launch of a calendar, which is our 6th edition. How does it feel to be here today, Sana?
It feels great. I think I always wanted to be on cover of a calendar, and I'm glad I got an opportunity for that. And thanks to Sanjeev sir and of course the beautiful calendar Tycoon. So I'm really waiting for going inside and having some fun and looking at my beauty shots and the calendar finally. So super excited.
I think we all are excited because none of us have seen the pictures or the videos, and Sanjeev is keeping it under the wrap.
Exactly.
He's like, it has to be a surprise. So we are all looking forward to it. All the best, Sana. We're going to see you inside.
Thank you so much.
Very, very good evening. Hema, you look absolutely stunning. Welcome to the Tycoon Global Achievers Award and also the launch of the calendar, which is our 6th edition. How does it feel to be here today?
I'm feeling so happy, and this is my first time that I'm come here, and especially I met Sanjay. He's amazing. Yeah, Sanjeev. He's amazing, and wish you all the best from my side कि आप ऐसे ही टाइकॉन ग्लोबल को बहुत आगे आप बढ़ाते जाएं. जनता इससे बहुत ज़्यादा कनेक्ट होती जाए. मतलब ऑलरेडी यू आर वेरी फेमस, आई नो दैट, बट आप और भी ज़्यादा लाइक वर्ल्ड वाइड आप लोग बहुत तरक्की करें, मोर सक्सेसफुल हो. सो मेरी तो ये विश है आप सभी के लिए.
Thank you so much.
Yes, thank you.
Very, very good evening, son. Welcome to the Tycoon Global Achievers Award and also the launch of our calendar, which is our 6th edition. How does it feel to be here today?
Very nice feel. I know actually I'm the last 2 years and I got the best Tycoon magazines. So I'm the blessed for the every time.
Sir, but how does it feel? आपको क्या excitement लग रहा है आज calendar का launch होने वाला है?
Always I'm excited. Where the girls so in the always excited.
Of course, when there are girls, everyone is excited. Welcome, sir, and enjoy the rest of your evening. Thank you for your. A very, very good evening, sir, and welcome to the Tycoon Global Achievers Award. It's an absolute pleasure having you here with us today. How does it feel to be here this evening?
Very much exciting, and I'm associated with Tycoon the Business Awards. Sanjeev is like a brother to me, and I'm very much excited, and thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you so much for your time, sir. A very, very good evening. I'm here with the absolutely stunning Sarah. Sarah, welcome to the Tycoon Global Achievers Award and also the launch of our calendar, which is our 6th edition. How does it feel to be a part of Tycoon today?
Thank you, Pinky. Appreciate your introduction. Feels great actually because most of the time my husband gets the Tycoon Awards and all the other business awards. I do get, but I get more into styling and all, and I'm like, oh please, can we just get past this, So today I feel great that I'm being a part of this and getting an award. So feels good, yeah. Yeah.
Enjoy the rest of the evening and watch out the calendar that's going to be launched.
Definitely. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for your time. Good evening and welcome to the calendar launch of the 6th edition. You put in a lot of effort, and because of you, the models are looking absolutely stunning in the calendar, and we're all looking forward to seeing the launch. How does it feel to be a part of Tycoon Global?
Oh, it definitely feels very, very special because the shoot was very special. This is the second time I'm doing the shoot, and it has been a very, very, very beautiful experience with all the models, with Sanjeev sir. He has been a great support throughout, and with my senior stylist Pallavi, she has been a great, great help and a great support and a great friend. And the entire team has been really lovely. We had a great time. We enjoyed. Plus, we ran around throughout the shoot because it was constant back-to-back schedules. But it was really amazing, and I'm really happy to see the work that we did. It's finally coming out, and finally our hard work has paid off today. So I'm really happy to be here. Thank you so much. Thank you, Tycoon, for this experience. And I look forward to more shoots in the near future.
Thank you so much and all the best. We are all looking forward to watching the calendar launch today, which is the 6th edition. See you guys inside. Thank you. A very, very good evening and welcome to the Tycoon Global Awards and also the launch of the calendar. You were a part of the calendar because you were the hairstylist. You had to put in a lot of effort, a lot of hard work. I know that. But how was your experience and how do you feel being a part of Tycoon?
So it was a very great experience to be the part of this great event. It was my first time with this magazine, so it was a great exposure to be the part of this great magazine. So I would like to say thanks to Sanjeev ji who has given me this opportunity, and I am looking forward to more shoots with him. And I would like to say thanks to all each and everybody who did all the makeups in here. Thank you.
Thank you. Very good evening, guys. I'm here with the absolutely gorgeous Alankrita. Alankrita, wow, you look stunning. And you don't age, do you?
I do.
No?
But I have good genes.
That's absolutely wonderful. Welcome to the Tycoon Global Achievers Award and also the launch of the calendar, which is the 6th edition. Of course, you know you're like family to Tycoon now. How's your experience been so far?
I think my experience with Sanjeev, the Confident Group, and Tycoon Global has been phenomenal. I have to say that the kind of effort, the timelines, the punctuality, just the production that was in Dubai and the way they took care of us, the hospitality was really incredible and warm. And I enjoyed shooting with the entire team. I mean, I didn't get to interact with the girls much, but whatever I've seen so far, you guys look like a bomb, like $1 billion. And I can only say that being here, a part of something like this, where they're going to launch it twice.
That's right.
I'm stupendously excited for this. And thank you so much for having me on board.
Thank you.
So, Smritika, it is really lovely to be with you in your show because this is your day. And Confident Group, Tycoon Global International Calendar Shoot, Season 6 we are doing. And we're going to launch it today. And it's a historic moment for us. Continuously we have been doing this particular calendar shoot from past 6 years. So 6th year you had an amazing time.
Of course,
Share some more.
I had an amazing time. It was really fun. We had those 3 days. It was too good, too good. Yeah, and working with you is really so good. I mean, he is such a gentleman, such a nice person, and he's so particular about his work and everything. From hotel to stay to food and all, everything. He was so good.
I'm really overwhelmed. Thank you very much. And so we're looking forward to have a launch in few minutes, would say. And we welcome you. You look so awesome, wonderful, and rocking.
Thank you so
Believe you,
much.
trust me. Doing
Hey, I am pretty good. What about you?
doing well. So you are here with Confident Group, Tycoon Global Calendar Shoot Season 6 launch.
Yes.
Share
yes.
your feelings.
I am really excited. मैं actually बहुत time से wait कर रही थी and finally the wait is over and I'm really excited.
So kind of you, thank you. So how was the experience with Tycoon Global? कैसा रहा experience आपका दुबई में शूट करने का?
शूट का एक्सपीरियंस तो बहुत ही अच्छा रहा एंड आई एम जस्ट लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड और मुझे अब आई कांट वेट टू सी ऑल द पिक्चर्स.
So ठीक है, आप अपने दिल की धड़कनें थाम लीजिए और हम अभी कुछ ही देर में इसको लॉन्च करने वाले हैं. आपका स्वागत करते हैं आप ही के शो में.
थैंक यू.
Thank you.